Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, anything like that, make sure you leave them down below in the comments section. And as always, thank you for watching my videos. I totally appreciate everything. And as always, let's jump right into it. So today's video is tips and tricks on a couple little hidden features of Thinkorswim to kind of make things a lot simpler, a lot easier. Also, how to speed up your Thinkorswim to make it run a lot smoother and faster. Okay, so the first thing you'll want to do is come up here to the upper right, okay? If you click on option buying power, there's this little privacy button, right? If you want, you can actually just click that. It'll turn it on. It'll show you your net lick, all that, liquidation, stock buying power, option buying power, things like that, okay? That is so you can kind of hide all that if somebody else is watching, or you just don't want to see those numbers all day long. The second thing is up here, you have a link to all your different accounts, okay? So if you want to change your account, like let's say you have multiple accounts, a IRA, a cash account, a margin account, you could select which account you want, and you can even link other people's accounts to yours. That's something you would need to speak with Thinkorswim about. The second cool little feature is up here in the home screen. Okay, if you click on the home screen, you can actually select from a watch list of certain stocks you want to watch, your open P&Ls, anything like that, okay? Working orders, how many have been filled for the day, canceled, things like that, what time. So this is kind of really customizable. And then once to leave this, just go up here, click on charts, and it'll take you back to this. Now, a couple features, if you go into setup, okay, if you ever see any of my videos and you see shared links, okay, just come over here to setup, open shared item, okay, you'll want to copy them, and then if you're using a Windows, just left click in there and go Control V as in Victor, and it'll paste it for you, preview, and then you can open up whatever link I've shared with you to open up this entire platform or a single chart or something layout. I meant not platform, a layout or workspace or a chart. So that's a cool little feature. So if you ever want things like what you see in my videos, a lot of times I'll leave links in them. So if you see a market profile that you really like or something, if you look in the description, I have a link down in there. The next thing is if we go into setup, you click on application settings, okay? And here you have your accounts and all that. Now, to speed up your platform to make it run quicker, okay, come over here to Active Trader. Right here, usually this will default at about 500 milliseconds. One of the things you'll want is to put it at 0 because you want as fast as possible. Also, this Active Trader will always update in the fast market, right? If you're watching a stock where maybe it's a penny stock where it's really moving up and down really quick, you could set how long you want it to reshift, kind of like to go down or up. It'll recenter the Active Trader. I have mine set at 30 seconds, okay? Also, if you're using, you'll want to select auto send active trader order on the down click, okay? That's meaning once you put a trade in or anything like that, it'll actually reload the same thing that you had before. So a good example would be something like this. If I have this bracket in there and then I press it, and I cancel that order, okay, what will happen is with this active trader, right here, it'll actually keep that inside and actually just redo everything. Just keep it there and not default back to a single order. Second, system. This is another really important thing you need. Quote speed. You want real-time quote speed with no delay. Okay, so these are certain things you could select why you would want a delayed speed of 15 seconds of saying quotes. I have no clue, but who knows. So that's there. And then another little tip and trick for stocks, okay? You could do a limit order, market, stop limit, anything like that, okay? Right here, so whatever you want your orders to default to. And then under here, let's say you want 100, right? For stocks. So, and also stock MPV routing is, if you look at it, it's usually for stocks that are priced like $1 stock, below $1, somewhere where you see all these extra numbers on there. It's just, it allows you to put orders in for those. But let's take a look at SPY right now, right? So it's a stock. So with that being said, kind of going back to the order default, okay, if I change this to 100, apply settings, well, this will change all my quick access, right? 100, 3, 5, 1,000, things like that. Well, if you're a newer trader, maybe you don't want to trade that big of orders, you could just default to 1, okay, quantity. And then from there, apply settings. And now you have 1 share, 3 shares, 5, 10, or 20, something like that. So it gives you quick access to changing all those type of order entries, right? Let me buy 20 or sell 20, give or take, something like that. Also, another cool little trick is if you go in here, if you're trading pre-market hours, okay, early in the morning before the market opens, go over here to time and force, okay, add time and force, TIF, and it allows you to put GTC EXT, good till cancel extended trading hours, okay, and that's what that means. And you're able to buy and sell in extended trading hours. If you only leave it a day or good till cancel, usually for extended trading hours, you won't be able to, you could put the order in, it just won't trigger and you'll wonder why. So it's an easy, quick access to do something like that right there. And then finally, another really cool feature is if you go into studies, okay, edit studies, you could actually save certain custom studies. And like I say, I give you guys a whole bunch of custom studies if you look in my videos and all that. And one of the things I do, and this is a cool little trick, is if you click this little paper here, okay, I actually name them, a lot of them AAA, right? Just multiple A's, because the higher up you go, right, it goes higher up on the list. So if I want a divergence trend or something, but you could see I kind of do less and less A's the lower down, but so they're not spread all throughout the whole place. Or you could just come over here, this little drop down, and user defined studies, and you'll see them all. These are all your custom studies that you have here, and maybe clean up the ones you don't use or things like that. So I hope this video has really helped you guys. How to speed up your Thinkorswim, lots of tips and tricks of using the platform, and just little things that I think will really help you with your overall trading using Thinkorswim. So as always, thank you for watching. Again, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys ever have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. If there's things you want to see, leave them down, and I will definitely make a video on it. So, as always, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.